A very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Dheeraj Kumar Mishra, Chief Academic and Business Head, Akash Educational Services Limited. I am very happy to share a mega announcement with all of you that Akash has partnered with Indian Army for providing the educational services to their wards across India. With this MOU, Akash is not only going to provide special scholarships, but the counseling, emotional support, and lot many things to the wards of Indian Army. As an organization, we respect truly from our heart the contribution which Indian Army makes in keeping all of us safe and making all of us feel proud. As an institute, we thought what best can be done other than this, that associating with them and giving them confidence while they are saving all of us, they get the bright future for which they always remain worried. In this MOU, Akash has come up with the various scholarships for the wards of Indian Army personals, and the first out of this is for the people or for our army personals who have martyred on duty, and 100% waiver in the fees is being given to them except registration fees. So that means they need to pay only registration fees and the complete fees is waived off for them. The army personals with more than 20% disability and the gallantry awardees will be getting 100% tuition fee waiver for their wards, and all other serving and retired army personals will get 20% scholarships for their ward in various programs in Akash Institute. All these special scholarships are over and above their current scholarships which they get in Akash Institute through various scholarship examinations. Akash, which is present with 400 plus branches in India, 4 lakh plus kids who are studying with us, we are going to give the best of the education services to the kids of army personals in our offline, online, and hybrid learning mode. So, my best wishes to the students, to the kids of army personals, and I will ask them to come visit our branches and make you best use of this association which Indian Army has signed with Akash Institute. So all the best to all of you. Thank you.